This is a 79 Skidoo Blizzard 5500. I'm going to explain a few things I did to it. We'll take a look at it around here. Okay, we got the speedometer there. It goes up to 100. That's an optional tack. High and low headlight. Kill switch. The key. There's the pulley to start it. The primer for the carburetors. We got 1,199 miles on it. Pop the hood here. I got it given to me. It needed to be all taken apart except for the motor. The carburetors I had all apart, cleaned. The jet needle positions are 3 down from the top. I synchronized the slides. Cleaned them all up. They were gummed up. Cleaned the air box all out. New lines for the carburetors, the primer, gas tank. Cleaned the fuel pump. Inspected the air cooler fan belt points. Some new clamps on the exhaust return there. Painted the exhaust pipe. Changed the gear oil. That's 30 weight. And clean the fuel tank, adjusted the headlight, painted the skis up, put a new belt on it. It's the belt is a Dayco HPX 5002. That's the high performance belt. They're like $50. And took the seat off, cleaned all under there. Put some guides on the belt on the drive, the track. Inspected all of that. So, mixing the fuel 50 to 1. There's Bel-Ray oil with 93 octane. So I'm going to close this up. We're going to start it. I gotta get my kill switch. This is another kill switch. This is a open one. You gotta put the cap on there and connect it to your glove in case you would wreck it. Set the motor off. So pull this. hold this.
Go on.
Point it to there. Try and follow me. I'm gonna go.
I want to talk to you.